Hello viewers, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Let's consider this equation of the fourth root of x is equals to x to the power of 4. So solution, this is x to the power of 1 over 4 is now equals to x to the power of 4. So having the same basis, we know that one of the solution to this particular equation is that x must be equals to 1, since we have the two bases to be the same. But does that mean that x 1 as the power as the value of x is the only solution? No. Let's look for another solution or solutions to this particular equation. So this is x to the power of 1 over 4 is equals to x to the power of 4. So I want to multiply the power of one side by 1. We know that in an equation, whatever you did to the left hand side must be done to the right hand side. But when you multiply or you take the power of one side of the equation by 1, it's not going to affect the result of the other side. That means, what I mean is that I'm going to have x to an exponent of 1, this is 1 over 4, everything to an exponent of x divided by x is equals to x to the power of 4, because x divided by x is still 1. So I'm not changing anything to this result. So if that is the case, I'm going to have x to since the relationship between this and this is multiplication, then I'm going to have x divided by 4x is equals to x to the power of 4. So having the same basis, I can easily make use of the powers. So I'm going to have x divided by 4x is now equals to 4, since I'm making use of the powers. If that is the case, I can confidently cross multiply by saying this is over 1, then by saying 16x is now going to be equals x. I want to divide both sides by this 16. That means I'm going to have 16 because I want to deal with 16 in the denominator. So we're going to have x is equals to x divided by 16. So I want to square both sides. So by squaring both sides, I'm going to have squared here. So I want to let everything to be equals 0. So x squared minus x divided by 16 squared is equals to 0. And I know that whenever I have a squared minus b squared, it's now going to be a plus b multiplying a minus b. And if that is the case, I'm going to write this based on this expression. So I'm going to have x plus x divided by 16 multiplying x minus x divided by 16. Everything is equals to 0. So let me consider the first bracket, because whenever the two numbers are multiplying each other to be equals to 0, that means one of them must be equals to 0. So when I consider the first bracket, I'm going to have x plus s divided by 16 is equals to 0. So the LCM here is going to be 16. So this is 17x divided by 16 is equals to 0. That means this is 17x is equals to 0. That means x is equals to 0. So the same thing with this. This is negative, so we are going to have the LCM here is 16. So this is 16x minus x is equals to 0. So this is 15x is equals to 0, and x is now equals to 0. So in conclusion, we can say that x is now equals to 1 and x is now equals to 0. These are the two solutions to this particular equation. But should in case you have another solution or you observe any error, don't hesitate to draw our attention in the comment section, and I'm very good in entertaining all the comments for so that we effect some corrections. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.